been aware of the library and a fan since I was in 5th grade when they opened the Madeira branch, whatever year that was. And I was so excited when it opened because it was a short walk from where we were living. And I was overwhelmed by the opportunities there. It seems like the whole goal of the library and of the foundation's programs that support the library are in removing barriers to using the library. And the more I learned since joining the foundation board, the more blown away I am by all the programs. What excites me most about the Library Foundation is that it supports a lot of the programs that the public library does. So it raises money to remove the barriers to people using the library and to help people in the door and to make progress in whatever they're trying to do. I think the homework programs that are funded through the Library Foundation are huge because if a child gets off track at an early age, you can affect the rest of their lives. We get so used to growing up with a library and we're so used to it always being there. It's like the air we breathe. It's good to get that perspective sometimes of how special it is and that everybody doesn't have this. When I was in graduate school, I didn't always have quiet places to study, and it provided me with a quiet place to study. That's what it did for me personally. My appreciation of the library is more for what I see it do for other people. And the more I learn about it, the more impressed I am. It's a welcoming, open door to everyone, and that it's an organization that tries to figure out how it can remove barriers to everyone who wants to use the library and could use its services. People ask me all the time, what's a good use for my money, a good charity, a good use for it after my death where I can really make an impact? And I unhesitatingly recommend the Public Library Foundation because it makes such an impact on so many people and it's a lasting gift. So if people want to make a lasting impact on improving society, improving our neighborhood, helping those kids with their homework, helping them get on a path to education where they see possibilities they maybe never would have seen before, I think that's huge, and it's a great use of someone's money and a great legacy to leave.